Go back to December 2020. That was when the first vaccine was given authorization by the FDA for adult usage. That was a year and a half ago, and we still don't have a vaccine for the youngest among us, 6 months old to 5 years old. Moderna could be close to asking for that emergency use authorization for its vaccine. You know, the difficulty here has been dosage for small children. Both Pfizer and Moderna ran clinical trials during Omicron, and they struggled to get a vaccine that was strong against preventing the virus. But the companies both point out that it does minimize the seriousness of the infection, which is actually what we've seen in some of the adult vaccines. All of this happening as Anthony Fauci has declared more or less the pandemic over here in the United States, that COVID will now be endemic and we're in this kind of closed phase. He does point out, however, that that is not the case in the rest of the world. The pandemic still has its grip on the planet. Hoda?
All right, Stephanie Gosk for us on that breaking story. Stephanie, thank you.
Joining us with more on what parents need to know, NBC senior medical correspondent Dr. John Torres. So we expect perhaps some news from Moderna on a vaccine for younger children. What do you expect? How effective do you think it might be? And do you expect parents will want to go and get their kids vaccinated?
And Savannah, you're right. Moderna has said about a month ago that they were going to go ahead and release the data and apply for the FDA emergency use authorization in April. And so we expect that to happen any day now, possibly any week now. But if you look back at the data they submitted just a few weeks ago, they actually divided this age group into 2 different ages, which is pretty interesting because that's what I think other manufacturers are going to do as well, and not treat them as one age group. They went from 6 months to 2-year-olds and then 2-year-olds to 5-year-olds. And what they found in there is the effectiveness against getting sick. That means even getting sniffles, getting mild illness, was fairly low. Most people's estimation, it was 44% for that younger group, the 6 months to 2-year-olds, and 38% for the older groups, the 2 to 5-year-olds. But when you look at the data as well, they found out that it was very effective at preventing serious illness, hospitalizations, and deaths, and that's what's important. And as far as parents and whether they will be accepting this or not, you know, there's been some concern about their hesitation, but also a lot of parents now, especially that mask mandates have come down, masks are not required on airplanes or public transportation. A lot of people with children in this age group are saying, I'm not going to travel until my child can get vaccinated. So I think a lot more of them are looking for these vaccines. And the American Academy of Pediatrics just came out with data from last week showing that the actual cases of children have risen over 40% because of what's going on right now with this Omicron variant surge. And we do know that that could possibly continue. And so, hopefully they do start the uptake. Hopefully we do get this information pretty soon and they do apply for this emergency use authorization, and we do get vaccines for this one age group that is still not protected from the virus as much as they could be.
Dr. Torres, we did a story yesterday. I think we said 70% of kids had gotten COVID-19. I think a lot of parents might say, well, my kid got it, so why is it that I need to get a shot for them?
And, that's understandable because, again, the message came out that 3 out of 4 children, almost 3 out of 4 children have gotten the infection at some point. So they have that natural immunity. But if you look at the data, what they also say is they didn't measure the amount of immunity they have. They just looked to see that they had gotten infected at some point. So we don't know if that means they have a good amount of immunity, a robust amount of immunity. We don't know how long that immunity is going to last. But we do know that if they get a vaccine, they get a very high level of that protection. And so I would not rely on that natural protection from being infected at some point in the past, and especially if you don't know if your child got infected or not. And so hopefully this doesn't muddle the picture too much and they end up getting their vaccines overall, Hoda.
All right, Dr. Torres, thank you for that.
Hey, thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Find your favorite recipes, celebrity interviews, uplifting stories, shop our favorite deals, and so much more with the Today app. Download it now.